I think we have to get to regulation pretty quickly here and what it means for different lawmakers to be seeking office that focus on crypto or not, for the president to be supporting crypto or not. At the end of the day, will this year be on hold for crypto just because the lack of clarity on who will be overseeing the regulatory environment in the United States?
I don't think the whole year, though. I feel like as soon as the debate starts, I mean, we have already seen that President Trump announced himself as the so-called crypto president. This is the first time so much any leader of any country any country around the world has actually gone so open about it. But at the same time, we saw White House trying to have some strategy with pro-crypto, but at the same time vetoing 121. So I think it's been a very mixed signals. But the crypto community claims, I think the volatility from Asia will start seeing much higher numbers in a positive way if we start seeing President Trump doing better in the debates. So it's been very exciting. And also, of course, just recently, yesterday, I think one of the liquidity issue is the French Prime Minister announcing that they would be dissolving the parliament. And there is a liquidity crunch in Europe, suddenly, as you can see.
I got to ask you about this tweet that you sent a month ago. You said, as a woman in crypto, this U.S. election, I have to choose between right to my body or right to my work. Wow, unbelievable. The tweet went gangbusters, which I think makes sense. Is it really that black and white when it comes to crypto and politics in Washington, D.C.? Is that the choice?
I mean, it is becoming a single agenda voting, right? Because I've been paying my taxes, I've been in the space, I've been a public figure for a long time in the space. But at the same time, there is no clear regulations. Like since 1615, since Ethereum has come, it went through everything in 1617, and now suddenly it was a big surprise when ETF got approved. I think I went on the record on Bloomberg and said I'm not expecting it to get through, and it did. But at the same time, we are seeing that there is no real permissions to come up to really trade in it. So I think as a woman in crypto, it's very difficult because a part of me is not very happy how Supreme Court took decision on abortion, and at the same time, it's my job. It's where I also have a team of 20 people who are all working and want really young women to come into the space. And it has really become a single agenda, which is not the place which I'm really happy.